Are you ready to have your mind blown? In this video, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring 10 AI tools that will change your life in 2023. Trust us, these innovations are seriously mind-blowing, and you won't want to miss a single second of this action. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an eye-opening journey into the future of technology. Number 1. AI-powered chatbots. Get ready to say goodbye to your old chatbot experience, because AI-powered chatbots are here and they're more advanced than ever before. These chatbots use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to your queries in a way that is more natural and helpful than ever before. Whether you need help with customer service, personal assistance, or anything in between, AI-powered chatbots are here to make your life easier. Number 2. AI-driven content creation. If you've ever dreamed of having your own content creation sidekick, then you're in luck. AI-driven content creation tools are here to help you write, edit, and even publish your work with ease. With the help of natural language generation and other AI technologies, you'll be able to produce high-quality content in no time. 3. Personalized learning with AI. AI-powered personalized learning tools are the next big thing in education, and they're set to revolutionize the way we learn and teach. With this technology, students can learn at their own pace, get real-time feedback, and have a more engaging learning experience. It's like having a personal tutor, but without the coffee breaks. 4. AI-enhanced healthcare. AI is transforming the healthcare industry like never before. AI-enhanced healthcare tools are using machine learning and deep learning to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and improve patient care. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to save countless lives and improve the quality of healthcare for everyone. 5. AI-powered financial management. Managing your finances doesn't have to be a headache. AI-powered financial management tools are here to help you budget, invest, and plan for your future with ease. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze your spending habits and provide personalized recommendations that can save you money and help you reach your financial goals. 6. AI-driven cybersecurity. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the threats to our security. AI-driven cybersecurity tools are using machine learning and deep learning to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time. This technology is essential in today's digital world, and it is only becoming more important as time goes on. 7. AI-powered customer service. Providing excellent customer service can be a challenge, but AI-powered customer service tools are here to help. These tools use natural language processing and sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback and provide businesses with the insights they need to improve. 8. AI-enhanced agriculture. The agriculture industry is also being transformed by AI. AI-enhanced agriculture tools are using machine learning and computer vision to optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and improve sustainability. This technology is helping farmers produce more food with less effort and resources, which is essential for feeding our growing population. 9. AI-powered manufacturing. AI-powered manufacturing tools are revolutionizing the way products are designed and manufactured. These tools use machine learning and predictive analytics to optimize production processes, reduce costs, and improve product quality. 10. AI-driven supply chain management. Supply chain management is a complex and challenging process, but AI-driven supply chain management tools are here to help. These tools use machine learning and data analysis to optimize logistics, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. And there you have it, 10 AI tools that are set to change your life in 2023. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching.